Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to sign or log out of your TikTok account. So this will apply for the mobile version on iOS or Android. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the profile button in the bottom corner of TikTok, and then go up and select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on it, and select settings and privacy. And now you want to scroll down to the bottom underneath login and select where it says log out. Left click on that and select the log out button. And then once you've done that, you will be logged out of your TikTok account. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.